Welcome back, data lovers. You've already dipped your toes into Seaborn's powerful data visualizations, but now it's time to dive deeper. Today, we're tackling more advanced plots with Seaborn that will elevate your data analysis game to new heights. From box plots to violin plots, we've got a lot to cover, so let's get started. Let's kick things off with the box plot, one of the most effective ways to visualize the distribution of your data and spot outliers. In Seaborn, creating a box plot is as simple as calling the box plot function. Let's take a look. Here's what's happening. We're using the popular tips dataset, and we're creating a box plot to show the distribution of total bill amounts for each day of the week. The box represents the interquartile range essentially, where the middle 50% of your data lies. The line inside the box is the median, and those whiskers indicate variability outside the upper and lower quartiles. Any dots outside the whiskers, those are your outliers. I want to visualize distribution with even more detail. Enter the violin plot. It's like a box plot, but on steroids. A violin plot combines the power of a box plot with a kernel density estimate, giving you a better sense of the data's distribution. Here's our violin plot of total bill by day. The wider sections of the plot show where data points are more concentrated. This gives us a deeper look at the distribution so you can understand both the spread and the density of your data in one simple visual. Now, if you want to see individual data points along with category-wise distribution, swarm plots are a fantastic choice. They scatter your data points while avoiding overlap, giving you a clear look at the distribution for each category. Swarm plots show us each individual data point for the total bill, spread across different days. You can immediately see where the data points cluster together, while still identifying any outliers. This gives us a more granular view of the distribution. Here's a pro tip. Seaborn makes it easy to combine multiple plots for even richer insights. Let's combine a box plot or a violin plot with a swarm plot to visualize both the distribution and the actual data points. Here we're combining a violin plot with a swarm plot. The violin plot gives us the distribution shape, while the swarm plot shows us each individual data point. This combination creates a rich visualization that highlights both the overall trends and the specific details. Seaborn doesn't just create beautiful plots, it gives you the flexibility to fully customize them. You can adjust titles, labels, colors, and more to ensure your visuals look professional and presentation ready. Here we've customized the box plot with a new color palette, added a title, and fine-tuned the axis labels. With just a few tweaks, your Seaborn plots can go from simple data visuals to polished, presentation-worthy graphics.
Before we wrap up, if you're eager to master more Python skills, check out the Knowledge Academy's e-learning platform. We offer interactive courses, practical projects, and real-time progress tracking, all at your fingertips. Join our community of learners and get started with courses tailored to your needs. Sign up today and unlock your potential.
And there you have it, some of Seaborn's most powerful and flexible visualizations. From violin plots to heatmaps, Seaborn is your go-to for making complex data easy to understand and present. If you're ready to dive deeper into data visualization, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. In the next video, we'll explore advanced customization techniques to make your visuals stand out even more. Want more hands-on experience with Seaborn? Check out the Knowledge Academy's e-learning platform for full courses and projects that will help you master data visualization. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.